Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new here, my name is Tamara, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nighttime skincare routine. So before we get started with cleansing, I'm just going to be putting all of my hair up out of the way. So for my cleansing process, I'm just going to be taking my Bestie number 9 cleanser from Drunk Elephant and my Clarisonic to cleanse my face. This cleanser is a product by Drunk Elephant. It is a jelly cleanser that removes all traces of makeup, excess oil, pollution, and any other grime from the day. Once I am done cleansing my skin, I am going to rinse it off with lukewarm water, then with a clean washcloth, pat it dry. It is very important to pat the skin dry and not rub, just to avoid any premature wrinkles. Now, since my skin hasn't been on its best behavior lately, I am going to go in with a mask, and I'm going to be using the Mega Greens Galaxy Pack from Glossier. This is a clay mask that is great for not only cleansing, but nourishing the skin. After leaving the mask on for about 20 minutes, I am just going to go in and rinse my face off with lukewarm water and pat my skin dry once again. So after I'm done patting my face all dry, I'm going to go in and mist my face with a rose water toner. This helps to maintain a youthful complexion. All the products I'm using in my nighttime skincare routine are from the Shelf Control Night Kit by Drunk Elephant. So after I've allowed the toner to soak into my skin, I'm going to apply all over my face the Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This is an AHA/BHA night serum that refines and resurfaces skin to reveal a smoother and more radiant complexion. So now I'm just going to apply the C-Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream by Drunk Elephant around my eyes. This eye cream is rich and restorative, featuring a brightening combination of 8 peptides, 5 forms of vitamin C, and cucumber extract for firmer, stronger looking skin around the eye area. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So this is a multifaceted rescue cream that provides replenishing barrier support by reinforcing skin's acid mantle and defending against the effects of everyday stresses. Last but not least, we're going in with the Virgin Marula Luxury Oil, just to make sure we lock in all the moisture. And that is all for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.